Every young lady that's looking at me right now, join a welding program. It will change your life. I joined Mr. Vick's welding program because I needed a change. I needed something new and something creative to help me feel like I belonged somewhere. I felt like I was kind of not doing anything important, and I wanted to try something new. Before I was in this welding program, I had no idea what I was going to do. I was pretty scared. I think a lot of people don't know what they want to do with their futures, and me being in this program has helped me learn that I can take this pathway and I can do some really cool things with it. I can do my own business, I can work under somebody else, I can do art, I can do building, I can do all sorts of stuff. One of my favorite moments in this class was definitely when Jesse James came to visit. It was an amazing experience. He has influenced the way that I have thought about welding. He helps me learn I can really just push to get something. I can set my mind to do something and I can just drive straight towards it. This program has helped me build confidence to do the things that I want to do with my life. If you want to join a vocational program, you should do it. It's important. You'll learn so much. At the end of the day, you're going to meet a lot of friends. I mean, you're going to make mistakes. You're going to make a bunch of mistakes, but you're going to learn from them all, and it's going to teach you how to get back up again. My name is Evelyn, and I go to Champion High School. I am a senior, and I am a proud member of Mr. Vick's welding program.